Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how do you transfer from your PayPal to your Wise account. So firstly, log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, you need to link your PayPal account to your Wise account in order to send money. So how do we link it? So once you get into your PayPal account, click on wallet. So when you click on your wallet option here, uh, you'll scroll down and you'll see an option called you'll see an option called on your top left here, link a bank account. So click on link a bank account. So here what you have to do is you need to click on the link a US bank account instead. So click on that. So now you need to enter the details of your Wise account. So if you log into your Wise account, so once you log into your Wise account and open your account details, for example here, so open your Wise account details. So you will find all your your account number and everything here. So use this information here and then add your routing number, and then routing number and account number from here. So that's the account number and routing number. So just one second. Yep, so here, so that's the account number, the routing number and account number. So click on it and then just add it. So and then click on it, click link your bank account. So once you have linked it, then all you have to do now is, once your account is linked, and then you can just simply transfer money. Like for example, you just have to a second. So once you have already linked it, then your Wise bank account details will be displayed here. So and then all you have to do is just click on transfer money and then click on transfer to your bank account, and then just choose your once you've already linked it, your Wise account bank details should display here. So you can just choose that and then proceed with the transfer, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank